In this training session, we will discuss the user preferences portion of the accounting system. Here, each user can indicate their personal preference for wallpaper, icons, and windows. To access these features, select Preferences from the Setup pull-down menu. This window will appear on the screen. On the first tab, you can indicate whether the system should automatically download Internet updates. This setting is specific to this machine. If the box is checked, each time the program is launched on this computer, the system will immediately check a system's website for the existence of more updated program files and install them on your computer. If this box is checked, the login window will periodically include time-sensitive announcements regarding user conferences and other important events. If this box is checked, each time you select to perform a posting procedure, the system will prompt you to back up your data. This checkbox provides the option to open windows at maximum height. This setting is specific to the user who is currently logged into the software. If the box is checked, many of the programs run from this main menu will open up extended to the full height of the program window. This allows list boxes to be stretched vertically to show more entries at a glance. On the second tab, you can select which style of menus should be used when you select programs from the icon bar on the left-hand side of the screen. This setting is specific to the user who is currently logged into the software. If pop-up is selected, floating menus appear when an icon is clicked and disappear when a program is selected. If permanent is selected, a permanent menu appears when an icon is clicked, which stays put until you close it manually. Let's try both types. First, we'll select pop-up and save our preferences. Now, when we select an item from the icon bar, the floating menu disappears as soon as we click on our selection. Let's go back into Preferences and switch to Permanent. Once again, we'll save our preferences and click on an icon. This time, a menu appears which allows us to run one program, close it, and run another program from the same menu. Let's get back into our Preferences window. The next tab is where you specify how you wish to use the Workflow menu. This is a menu window that makes access to accounting processes much more easy and intuitive. A workflow menu can be customized for each module of the system. Menu items are represented by tiles that can be placed or removed by the user. Relationships between processes can be represented by arrows. Check this box if you wish to use workflow menus. Check this box if you wish to have the workflow menu opened immediately when you log into the system. Now from this list, select which workflow menu you wish to see immediately upon logging into the system. Select Most Recent if you want the system to remember where you were the last time you logged out. Finally, select a background for your workflow menu, or select Random to have the system cycle through the available images, showing a different image each time you select a new module. The next tab is where you can specify which menu icons you want to be displayed in the icon bar on the left-hand side of the screen. This setting is also specific to the user who is currently logged into the software. We'll remove a few of the icons and save our preferences. As you can see, only the menu icons we have selected now show up on the icon bar. You can use these arrow buttons to change the display order of the menu icons. And you can use this setting to switch between icon pictures and acronyms. The next preference item is Wallpaper. This setting is specific to this machine. You can select either a standard wallpaper style or select any bitmap image. The Entry Wizards tab lets you specify which entry windows should use the Entry Wizard setting. An Entry Wizard simplifies an entry window, replacing tabs with Next, Previous, and Finish buttons at the bottom of the window. The Reminders tab lets you set your preference for which reminders will be displayed when you are running the program. Each reminder type can be included or excluded from the list and displayed either in summary or in detail. Let's select the Email and Reports tab. Here you can enter your own email address and an optional signature block that will appear on emails you send from within the accounting program. This next section deals with the Preview window that displays the contents of a report and allows for viewing or printing the report. Choose the initial state you prefer for printed reports. For larger monitors, full height or 100% are good choices. For smaller monitors, full width may be the way to go. Once our selections have been made, we'll save our preferences. These preferences will remain in effect even when we restart the program. This concludes this session on user preferences.